Yo, what's going on guys, it's Rebuilds NI here, come back with a new video. Today we're going to be talking about this giveaway that you've all probably been waiting for. Now it's going to be a different video. You're going to be looking at this Cavalier because you're going to admire it and look at the beauty of it and not look at my ugly face instead. So anyway, we're going to talk about this. What am I exactly going to give away? I'm going to give away a spray gun. It's not a high-tech spray gun, but I'd probably do anyone that hasn't started painting, that wants to learn. So basically, I think it's a Sealy one. I don't know. I'd need to check it. I know it's a 1.3 tip. And the way you're going to enter for this competition, basically like the video, drop down below in the comments that you've liked, commented and subscribed. Well, just say like and subscribed, just so I know you are subscribed, you are liking videos, you are showing support. Because it's only a small thing to give back to you. Because let's be honest, we're not all rich. I'm fucking rolling about here in Cavaliers, and you know, it's just a thing I gotta do, give back to you and stuff. For 100 subscribers, it actually never took as long as I thought. The Instagram sort of helped. I know a lot of you guys are probably from my Instagram account. It helped a lot. You know, it boosted me 100 subscribers within a month, and I'm really appreciative of it. But anyway, if you want to enter for that giveaway, make sure you do drop a comment, drop a like and stuff, and maybe I'll start to do more giveaways when we start to get to like 250 subscribers. We'll start doing bigger spray guns and maybe hoodies and whatever it is. But yeah, anyway guys, this Rebuilds NI. Thanks for the short video and peace.